shot, wala pa rin. And the pass break. And again, hook pass. Lays. Oh, Bares with the finish. Pura, natapikan record. Dire-diretso sa rim. Bakit? First ball. The middle. Oduka spins. And goes to the base, to the rim. Oh, expect. Looking for the opponent. He attacks to the middle. He lays. Bucket of the glass. We are here in Tarlaqueños Intermunicipality, Victoria versus Pura. First ball possession, Pura. Stop, pull-up jumper, too strong. Maurin, he pass, pull-up J. Baltasar, won't go. And here's Team Pura, natapikan, recover, dire-diretso sa rim. Bakit? First ball. Sabat, pass to number 10, Bella. Pull-up jumper in front of the big man. Bakit? And number 0 to number 6 to number 1, Maurin. And pull-up jumper. Limbat to the middle. Pass it back. Launch on deep 3. Too strong. And still recover. Stops. Inside pass. Fires. Oh! Easy bucket. And a pass break. 3 on 1. Stop. Wide open for 3. Bang! Down to 2-point lead for Team Pura. Here comes number 22, pass to number 5. And kicks out, picks, goes inside to the rim, block. But Maurin cross the mid lane. Bounce pass, Gabriel posting up. Against number 8, cross pass. Here's Maurin. Maurin using the screen. And he stop, goes inside. Fires, Nugget. And rebound number 5, 2 on 1. Straight to the rim. Whoa! So palpa lang inabot. He kicks out to the middle. Natapikan. And here's number 22. He's at the top. He passes to number 8. And goes to the wings. Almost stolen. And he's still. And he lays. Goodbye. He kicks out for 3. Oduko. Bang! Trip. Number 12 inbounding. He passes to Mauricio. To Milo. Milo at the top. Almost. And he recovers. He passed to the middle. And natapikan. Milio pass inside. And it's a good. Here's number 23. He spins to the corner. Number 3, Bares kicks out. Launch shot 3. In and out. Backdoor inbound for Team Victoria. He pass. Gabriela. Pull up J. Bullseye. The nets. Pass to Limbat to the middle. Inside pass. Tatlo yung gumardya. And he pass back. He stops. Kicks out. Limbat goes inside. Stolen. Hook pass. And all alone. He lays. Easy 2-point. To Milo. And picks. To the middle, the faller, no good. Rebound. Hook shot, wala pa rin. And the pass break. And again, hook pass. Lays, oh, Bares with the finish. And inbound for Team Pura. Bounce pass, ang ganda naman. Perfect execution. And is number 5, Baldos. Yolola, oh, pinasa pabalik. Oh, binawian. And 20 seconds on the game clock. Milo passes to Bala. Bala. Looking for the opponent. He attacks to the middle. He lays. Bucket of the glass. And here's Team Victoria. Long pass. Pass a 3. Block. He fires again. Short. Here is Baltasar. Pass to Maurin. Maurin. He goes to the middle. He stop. Kicks out. Open for 3. Short. Sabat with the rebound. He pass to number 0. Pinabitin. Na good. The follow-up shot by Maurin. Using the screen. He kicks out. Gabriel for 3. Na good. Here's number 1. Sabat lays block. Maurin dribbling the ball. He fires at 3. Nugget. But the follow-up shot by Baltasar. Fallen back. Sarabat posting up, pass to Limpat. Limpat, he dribbled the ball, he attacks to the middle, he pass inside, posting up, spins, hook shot, back for Gonzalez to Limpat. Limpat, he pass to Sarabat, bucket for two, bullseye. And for the backdoor inbound, and he pass, oh, bucket for two, Gabriel inbound. And here's Tempura. Saraba, natapikan, stolen, 2-on-1, and Liz, bucket! Pass, Saraga, pass to the baseline, step back, pull up J, in and out, tips in, yes sir! Bares goes to the baseline, he kicks out, Baltasar to the middle, Oduka spins, and goes to the base, to the rim, and that's Mauricio behind the back dribble, dive for the ball, and recover, inside pass, libre, bucket, and the long pass, Salazar for 3, short, rebound, spins, bumalik, oh, the floater, bounce, and his team, Victoria. Slowly dribbling the ball. Biglang pumukol ng tres. Bang! Nothing! Here's Mauricio, number 77. Against Mauricio. Inside pass. Natapikan. Mauricio for the inbound. Kicks out. Salazar for 3. Nagid. And the pass break here. Oh, libre. Oh! Oh! Sayang naman. Dileg goes inside the side step, the hook shot, yes sir. So Baltasar, pass to Maurin for 3, bang, nothing but the net ball. And Maurin to the wings, Oduka creating space, spins, and he pass, cross pass, Maurin open for 3, bang, another 3. Mauricio sasagot, short, and then again Mauricio kicks out sa 3, short pa rin, recover, and another pull-up jumper, wala pa rin ang alat, mas maalat pa sa asin, and still stolen, and here's Maurin, lumusot, oh, the penetrate. And here you go, he attacks, Sabat, inside Saraga, floater, bullseye, oy! Oh. Baltasar, seconds to play, down to 40, Baltasar release, foul, and he pass, open for 3, but that's the end. Gonzalez. He goes to the screen, Bala with the receive. To the middle, to Bala. Pinabitin, Bala, bucket, Bala. Dolores to the baseline, pull up J. Valdez, bucket for 2. Gonzalez. Bounce pass to the middle, Limbat. Open for 3. Mauricio, bang! Valdez. Dolores. Pass to Oduka. Di discarte Dico. He's at the top, between the legs. Goes to the screen. He stop for 3. Bang! 3 point. Mauricio picks. He stops to the middle. Gonzalez to the wings. Bala inside pass, spins. Hook shot. Bucket. Baltasar. Pass to Bares. Bares goes inside. Lays. Yes sir, of the glass. And Sabat. He pass sa 3. Short. Rebound, still Pura, the hook shot, bucket, Milo. And it's Baltasar, yes sir. Sabat. Daleg to the middle, Azarat. Valdez, Dolores. He pass. Corner. To the middle, Baltasar, bucket, Baltasar. Sabat. Attack, Silis, bucket, Sabat. Dolores. Pass to Loyola, inside pass. Juco fires, bucket. Fallen by Sabat. And steer, Daileg, Euro step. Dolores, Loyola. Loyola lays in and out. Asaraga, he pass. Daileg, pull up J, bucket. Daileg back. And 16-point lead for team Victoria to the middle. Asaraga spins, fires, bucket. Asaraga. Loyola, he pass. Franco goes inside, he stops. Pass to Loyola. Pull up J, bucket. The net. Asaraga. Limbat takes and the floater, the ileg na good. And no, Limbat, yes sir. Salazar using the screen of Salazar. Salazar goes to the middle, the lace, bucket, easy to the ileg. Pass to Limbat, the ileg. Pass to Limbat for 3, na good. Rebound, Salazar. Baltasar, straight to the hoop, bucket, Baltasar. Flores receives the ball. He's at the top, didiskarte dito. Pass to Baltasar, pass back, inside pass to Loyola. Easy bucket, Loyola. Baltasar, Oduka. Asuncion goes inside, behind the back pass. Bala penetrates, he pass, the alley pass, in and out. Asaraga posting up, hook shot, bucket. Baltasar to the wings. He pass to Gabriel. Asuncion for 3, too strong. Sabat, he pass. Gonzalez lays, bucket, and dribbling the ball. Stops, inside pass, pinabitin pa, grabe ka. Goes to the wings, to the corner, Asuncion. Pass to Baltasar. Goes inside, cross pass, Bares, attacks, kicks out, open for 3, Asuncion, another 3, no good. And put back, basket and 1. And here you go. Goes inside, spins. And Sabat attacks, kicks out, open look for 3, bang! Sumabay ka ba? Bares, sumigway, pinasa sa Asuncion to Gabriel. Asuncion, open for 3 again, short. Asaraga, ipinasa, fast, easy 2. And here you go. And here's Gabriel posting up and lays, bucket, and he pass. Asaraga nagawan. Baltasar goes inside, natapikan and recover. Bares picks. Oh! Open for 3, no good. Bucket for 2, Asaraga. Sa 3, Baltasar, bang! Bulsa! Baltasar. Sa 3, wala. And the long pass, and libre, easy to, Daileg. Oduka, Baltasar, for 3, bang! Another 3. And the pass, Tagawan. Here's Maurin, binit-bit lays, bucket, lobi pa na naman. Mauricio stepping back. Ipinasa. Sa 3, bang! Oh! Bares goes to inside, to the middle, yes, no good. And a pass break, nauna na, Daileg, yes sir, easy 2. Mauricio to the middle, hook shot, basket and 1. Bala spins to the middle, kicks out, open for 3, no good, too strong. And the recover. Bala. Spins. Fires off the glass. Bucket. Bala down to long 3, deep 3.
20 seconds.
Uy, nakalusot. Oh, nakalusot to. Team Victor.